everyone, welcome back to this week's episode. In today's video, we're talking about Boggle. So for those of you who don't know what Boggle is, it's a pretty fun board game, kind of like a word hunt. And here is one of their smaller versions, which includes 16 letter die. On each side there's 6 letters, and when you put the cover on the entire case with the letters inside, shake it up, it kind of scrambles the words and allows for players to search for words hidden within the arrangement of letters. So if this one is 16 different pieces, I gotta calculate this. Okay, so if this one is 16 pieces, according to my math, this one should be 20.25 times as fun. So I'm gonna show you how I made this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is open up Rhino and start creating our geometry. And we're gonna start off with closed curves and extrude it to create a cube. And once we have that, we're gonna create a sphere inside that, and then Boolean intersection both of those to create our finished letter die. And after we have that, we're gonna work on our boards. We're going to work on our actual board structure, and we're going to divide that up into 4 equal pieces so that each of them could fit on the printer bed. Now that we have those 4 pieces, I'm gonna hit them with a heat gun that I got from Harbor Freight, and this is just to clean up all of the stringing and any other hanging plastic that shouldn't be there. And after I do that, I'm gonna take 220 grit sandpaper, or any other fine sandpaper will work, and sand up the mating edges of all the 4 corners. And after that, I'm gonna use super glue and then join all the faces together. Now it's time for all 324 letter die. Now these came out pretty good, needing almost no work. Maybe 1 or 2 of them got a little messed up while printing, but other than that, they all came out good. And once all of those are printed, I'm gonna go ahead and write all the letters on. And I thought about doing this a couple different ways, but in reality, there's only going to be a handful of times where I actually use this game because it is just for fun. So writing the letters on with a paint marker was the cheapest and easiest way of doing that. Okay, so next I'm going to take this plexiglass and cut out some corners so that once I do that, I can use that same heat gun and fold over the edges to create the shell where all the pieces could bounce around there. goodness. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more in the future. Thank you for watching.